Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is weekly expiry and here I am with another video of our series, Nifty Expiry Special Analysis. In the previous video, as I said, 15,000 to 15,050 seems to be apparent, and after opening above 15,000, Nifty made a high of 15,045 and from there we saw selling coming in. And on the lower side, I said that first target will be around 14,770 and Nifty made a low around 14,800. So you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen, and in this video too we'll try to find out important levels for tomorrow's expiry. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So now let's analyze Nifty's daily chart. There's nothing much on daily chart. There's a trend line formation like this. So if tomorrow Nifty breaks this trend line, that's around 14,550. If Nifty breaks this trend line, then we will see a fall till 14,400, and below 14,400 Nifty will go till 14,350, 300. So if Nifty breaks 14,550, Nifty will go till 14,400 to 14,350. Now let's analyze 15 minutes chart. And on 15 minutes chart, as you can see, there is ascending triangle formation like this, and we closed at the breakout level. So if Nifty tomorrow breaks 14,650 and sustains there, we will see a up move till 14,700, and above 14,700, 725, Nifty may go till 14,800. So the range as per the chart is, if Nifty breaks 14,550, Nifty will go till 14,400, 14,350. If Nifty sustains above 14,650, Nifty will go till 14,700 to 14,725, and above 14,725 Nifty may go till 14,800. Now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. On the option chain, as we can see, 14,700 call has 36,72,000 open interest. In that, 3,75,000 was added today, so that will act as first resistance. And 14,800 call has 37,70,000 open interest. In that, 2,38,000 was added today, so that will act as second resistance. And 14,600 put has 29,87,000 open interest. In that, 14,86,000 was added today, so the half of the total open interest was added today, so that will act as first support. And according to me, 14,600 will act as a make or break level tomorrow. And below 14,500 we have highest open interest at below 14,600 we have next highest open interest at 14,500 put, that's around 32,63,000, so that will act as second support. And the put call ratio is oversold around 1.08, so you can expect a short covering rally. Global cues are neutral, so tomorrow's expiry seems to be in a range, but as mentioned earlier in the video, if we go below 14,550 we may see a downside till 14,400 to 14,350, and above 14,650 we may see upside till 14,700 to 725 and 14,800. So if you liked my video, please share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Aman signing off. Thank you.